Sporotrichosis is a, you know that it's a dimorphic fungus, sporotrichosis. और इसी sporotrichosis का what is the other name? It is also termed as rose gardener's disease. Okay, it is also termed as what? Rose gardener's disease. That is sporotrichosis. And which type of sporulation is observed in that? That is a flower-like sporulation. And along with that, you have cigar-shaped yeast cells or narrow-based budding. Okay, narrow-based budding. If we talk about the most important thing in the mycology, this question is coming in your exam. That is regarding the medullary bodies. Okay, this particular question is coming up, and the name of these bodies is medullary bodies. And these medullary bodies, what is the other name? Sclerotic bodies. And they are looking like what? They are looking like copper penny appearance. Okay, copper penny appearance they have, and they are termed as what? Medullary bodies. Okay, short question.